everyone. Welcome to the Essential Oil Circle with Mandy. I'm Mandy Summers, and today I wanted to share with you what came in my wellness box this month from doTERRA International. So, as most of you know, doTERRA is my favorite essential oil company on the planet, and not only do they have essential oils, but we have a lot of other awesome products that I'm going to show a few of them to you today. So, welcome. Thanks for watching. Let's jump right into this. So, I actually had to go pick this one up today because I live close enough that I can. So normally this would come in a beautiful purple box that says doTERRA, but instead I got this big giant bag. Today was extra fun because I got a ton of freebies. So I'm gonna go through what I got, what was free, what wasn't, and stuff like that, and how I like to use some of these things. One of the first things, I actually just did an Instagram post on this the other day. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will know about this story. A couple years back, so I've got two daughters, and we all like to keep our hair fairly long. This is actually the shortest my hair's been in a while. A couple years back, I don't know if it was the water or the horrible shampoo we were using or what, but we were having a really hard time brushing through our hair. Not just brushing through it, but throughout the day keeping it detangled. So my girls would come home from school and have like these huge knots in the back of their hair. On top of that, they were having really bad dandruff, which is no fun for a teenager or a kid in 5th or 6th grade, which is where they were at the time. So we switched. I had actually been using the doTERRA shampoo and conditioner for a little bit, and I had noticed that my hair was way easier to deal with. So I switched them over, which was a little scary because, you know, with kids, they love to go through shampoo and conditioner. And when you get a high quality salon shampoo and conditioner, you're like, don't use it all in one, sitting. They actually in their bathroom just ran out of their shampoo and conditioner. And I love this product because both the shampoo and conditioner come with different essential oils in them. Not only did we solve their tangled problem, which was awesome, I actually probably bought every detangler. So this one, the conditioner, has peppermint in it, rosemary and lavender, cedarwood, ylang-ylang. There's just like lemon. There's so many great oils in this one particular conditioner. And then the shampoo has wild orange and a couple others as well. We got that. Now, I actually got both of those for free today because in doTERRA, when you decide that you want to do a monthly subscription, you get to decide what comes in them. You actually get up to 30% back of your purchases. And so I had a ton of what we call loyalty reward points. I got those shampoo and conditioner for free. It was totally awesome. Okay, the next thing I got, let's see, was our amazing Lifelong Vitality Pack, and you can check out my YouTube channel. I have a whole video about why these are so amazing and why I believe every person should be taking them. They're great for energy. It's what our body needs to really be fueled throughout the day. Next thing, I actually got these for free as well. Now I got 3 of these. So we love our On Guard toothpaste, and my kids love this On Guard toothpaste. It's interesting. We switched everybody over about 4 or 5 years ago, and they hate the store brand toothpaste. And so this is all natural. It's whitening. On top of that, it's super safe for your kids to eat. Let's say they grab the tube and they eat the whole tube. You don't have to call poison control like you do with the other stuff. The next thing I got, and this was actually for free as well, was my facial cleaner. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. The Essential Skincare line is actually my favorite. For some reason, it works really good on my skin. It helps to clear it up, just to help it to be bright. Some people love the Barrage system, which I like that one, but the Essential Skincare line works better for me. This one has melaleuca and peppermint in it, and then I also rotate, and I'll do the scrub every few days as well with that comes in that kit. And I got this to go with it as well. So this is the pore reducing toner, and so I will wash my face. I use the pore reducing toner, and then before I do my makeup, I use the jasmine cream. You guys, it's phenomenal. It's so good. I love it. That's actually what I use for my makeup base. It's awesome. My makeup will stay all day long. I love that. I got that for free. I got these for free as well. I know it seems like I got a lot for free, but I still have 400 or 500 points to spend just because they build when you are spending just $100 a month. So when you spend that, you get 30% back. and it builds over time. And so this was a month where I just got tons of free products. So we are running low on deodorant. So this is what me and my girls use. We use the Douglas Fir Greek Orange. And then my husband and my boys like to use the Balance. So we had a few more balances, but we were running low on these. So I got all of those for free, which is totally awesome. Finally, we're down to the last few things. Now, today was a special day. Every Tuesday in July, doTERRA is doing a buy one, get one free. There's some really fun oils that are coming up in the next buy one, get ones. Today was buy a frankincense touch, and instead of getting one free, you actually get two for free. You get Breathe and Digest Then. So I just want to share with you really quickly. So I got these two for free. I bought this, and that was my complete order for the month. So let me just tell you really quick what I like to do with frankincense. As most of you know, I'm a stroke survivor. After I had my stroke, I really tried to find natural products that helped support my brain in the recovery process. I knew that my body could effectively recover. I just needed to really get something that would be a long-term support to the brain. And so frankincense is in this roll-on is one of my go-tos. I like to just simply roll it in a smiley face, kind of from, if you feel the back of your head, you kind of have like this, maybe a ridge or a knot. I like to do right under that. It kind of gets soft, and you do it to the other side. So I do a smiley face from one to the other. I've noticed when I started using it right after my stroke recovery that my brain wasn't as tired. It really helped just support in the connecting of things, so it wasn't having to work as hard as it went through that recovery process. This is also great for skin spots. If you have spots on your face that you're trying to minimize, it's a great one to just do the spot care with. Frankincense is awesome for the skin. It's so good. This is also a great one for people who are struggling with pain for arthritis and they're just having that chronic pain. This is a great support for your body in that. And people like to just roll it straight on those knuckles or the wrists, wherever they're having those aches and pains. That's kind of how I like to use that. The other two are Digest and Breathe. And it's funny, last night when I was making graphics for this buy one, get one, I sat here and I thought these three oils are probably in our top first 7 oils that we use, probably even our top 5, because I think Serenity was the other one, and I'm trying to think if there was another, but I'm just giving myself leeway. We used frankincense pretty consistently just because we were told it was the king of oils. And Breathe, when I first joined doTERRA, I'd been asthmatic my entire life. The earliest memory that I had, I was in the hospital having breathing treatments and trying to see if I could live another day because I was my airways were closing. I started using Breathe consistently on my respiratory system, and it's absolutely done wonders for me. I love it that I'm not having to put steroids into my body every day like I was before. They really made me shake, and they gave me a lot of side effects that just didn't make me feel good. And so I love Breathe. I also love using Breathe when you feel like you can't breathe because maybe you're having anxious feelings and your chest is tight. A lot of times when people are experiencing anxiety and stuff, they say that they're having a tight chest. And so I like to take Breathe and once again do a smiley face across my chest. Then finally, Digest Then. So this was the first sample that my husband got before we were in doTERRA because he had a lot of stomach issues. I love it that it comes in a roll-on now. When we first got it, it was just in a bottle that you could drop and you can put it in your water and drink it that way. But one of the most effective ways I like to use Digest Then is simply to roll it in a clockwise circle on your gut for all different types of things. You know, our gut has a lot of issues. Sometimes it's running too fast. Sometimes it's stuck. Sometimes it just hurts because of the food that we put in it. Sometimes it's having a hard time digesting things. And Digest Then has such a wide variety of constituents that it works really well at figuring out where the support is needed. And so that was our buy one, get one free, and that's what I got in my wellness box this month. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. You're amazing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.